Imagine you can sit on your couch and use your PC without having any interaction with your main PC mouse, and just by using your mobile device as your main mouse. And that would be, so interesting to be able to use your mobile as your PC mouse. And that's what exactly I'm going to teach you in today's video. I'm Levine, this is Tech Talk, and please consider subscribing if you're into new technology tips and tricks. So without wasting any time, let's get into the main point. So first off, you want to open App Store or Google Play. There's no difference if you're using Android or iOS. And then just search for mouse from Handy Computer Softwares with over 13,000 positive reviews. So that's a quite popular app. You want to open it, then install it. And after that, we want to get it installed on our PC as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, you want to get into your Google Chrome and then type for remotemouse.net, and here's the site. Then at this point, you want to click on Get Now. So assuming you have already downloaded the iPhone or Android version of the app, you want to click whether of these, Windows or Macintosh, depending on your operating system. So mine is Windows, so I'm going to head over and click Windows. Then you will face this setup at this point. And then you just want to simply follow the setup, click next, finish, and then at this point you want to open Remote Mouse on your mobile device. Please keep it in mind that the app might ask you to have access to your local network, and you want to press OK. And then if you both connected to the same Wi-Fi router, you will see that your PC will be showing up on your mobile device. You want to click on it, and that would be so easy. Nothing fancy, nothing special. You will see, as you can see, connected, and I can remotely and swiftly control my PC. So it was for today's tutorial, guys. I do appreciate if you consider subscribing. Please take care of yourself, and peace out.